The granite bone where the heather glows, the ancient breath of the mountain blows. Through the pinwood spires in a wild embrace, I trace the lines of a timeless face. In the silent mist of the vertical blue, the hawk and the shadow are passing through. Oh, carry me high on a sudden wing, where the bell-toned peaks of the valley sing. A flight of the spirit, a surge in the light, rising beyond the reach of the night. For the summit is calling in stone and air, to the wild and the free, the heart that is there. Windswept pillars in a marble sky, witness the millennia passing by. The crag and the canyon, the light on the stone, secrets the vertical shadows have known. No clock in the valley, no weight on the soul, only the sky and the pine-covered roll. Ancient heart of the world. Ancient heart of the world. Vertical blue eternal. Oh, carry me high on a sudden wing, where the bell-toned peaks of the valley sing. A flight of the spirit, a surge in the light, rising beyond the reach of the night. For the summit is calling in stone and air, to the wild and the free, the heart that is there. Ancient stone, eternal blue, the mountain waits for me.